How to toner using rosemary oil, witch hazel to glowing the skin. Rosemary is a rich wellspring of cell reinforcements and calming compounds, which are remembered to assist with helping the insusceptible framework and further develop blood flow. They see rosemary as a mental stimulant who can help improve memory execution and quality. We also know that it improves knowledge, focus, and sharpness. Does rosemary help the skin glow? The rosemary plant's powerful minuscule leaves can assist with anything from skin saturating to collagen arrangement to free extremist battling. High in minerals safeguard skin from harm from the climate, like sun openness, goodness, and it likewise helps skin gracefulness as you age. Is it genuine that rosemary and mint are amazing for your skin? Rosemary essential oil is an individual from the mint family that invigorates, oxygenates, and revives the skin mostly. Rosemary oil is frequently used in skincare products, especially those for oily and acne-prone skin. By moisturizing the skin, rosemary oil helps to regulate oil production. What are the ingredients required for making a toner? 1 cup of water that is heated and bubbling, 1/4 cup of mint leaves, 2 to 3 teaspoons rosemary needles, new, 2 teaspoon witch hazel. What are the procedures for making rosemary toner? Empty the mint and rosemary into a glass bowl when the water is heated and bubbling. Permit 10 to 15 minutes for the combination to rest. Eliminate the spices from the water and strain them. Allow to cool totally to room temperature. 2 teaspoon witch hazel. The more you add, the drier it will turn into. Appreciate clean skin and a crisp smelling face. Tips: refrigerate for as long as 3 weeks or keep at room temperature for 7 days. What are the advantages of rosemary and witch hazel toner on the skin? Witch hazel contains tannins, which I was able to identify. Typically, they are astringent and relaxing. According to the manufacturer, rosemary is self-fortifying and relaxing. So a toner washes skin all the more profoundly by eliminating surface oils and microorganisms while as yet including a loosening up dynamic fixing. What are the healing properties of almond oil? Nutrients: A, D, E, B1, B2, B6, and minerals, A, D, E, B1, B2, B6, are found in almond oil, zinc, calcium, potassium, and so forth. Almond oil is a light, simple to apply oil. The body effectively consumed it. Omega-3,6, and 9 unsaturated fats are unsaturated fats tracked down in this item. It has a wonderful fragrance. It is less oily. Supplement thick. Is almond oil and rosemary good for skin rejuvenation? Almond oil's fatty acids and vitamins A and D are helpful in healing dry skin. Warm almond oil to body temperature before massaging it onto your skin. This will prevent your skin from feeling dry. Does almond and rosemary oil provide you with flawless skin? Almond oil is hypoallergenic to a degree. As a result, it is also suitable for delicate skin. It contains antioxidants and vitamin E, which nourish your skin and smooth it. It works best when heated to room temperature and applied to the skin to make it perfect. When kneaded into the skin, rosemary oil can assist with easing up dull spots and flaws, bringing about an all the more even complexion. The mitigating effects of rosemary help in the decrease of skin edema and puffiness. It additionally helps with the recuperating of consumes and the relieving of the skin. Great for exfoliation. Almonds have vitamin E, and honey has antioxidants, which will give your skin a natural glow. Honey also possesses antibacterial qualities, which aid in the prevention of acne and scarring. Is it okay to use honey and almond and rosemary oil on your face? Both eliminate pollutants and dead skin cells from the face, resulting in a brighter complexion. Required ingredients: 2 teaspoons of almond oil, 2 teaspoons of rosemary oil, 2 teaspoons of honey. Direction to use: honey's calming and saturating properties might help support the viability of almond and rosemary oil when joined with honey. To make this medication, consolidate 2 teaspoons of honey, 4 to 5 drops of almond oil, and 2 teaspoons of rosemary oil in a blending bowl. Prior to heading to sleep, knead it into the dark circles under your eyes. Bring your almond oil up to an internal heat level prior to utilizing it. Subject authorities agree, almond oil is better consumed by the body when it is warmed. What is the most effective method for getting rid of almond oil's drawbacks? Assuming you're sensitive to nuts, almond oil is not the best choice. Almond oil is a sound and regular item. You ought to play out a fixed test prior to applying it to your skin. Stand by 2 to 3 days after applying a couple of drops to your skin to check whether any rashes show up. You're all set on the off chance that they don't. Thanks for watching this video.